So my goal on this probably will be in the first couple trades to try to do a little scalp. You know, quick in, quick out. The pre-market high is $6 with about 20 seconds to the bell. Remember when I was showing you guys my average trades, everyone at Inner Circle, average trades over the last year and a half is 18 cents per trade, and that's about $500,000 in profit. So you don't need to get big winners for them to add up. So right now I'm going to watch SLS for a scalp out of the gates. I want to see it dip and then get in. So I'm going to watch it here. Okay, I'm long SLS. Long SLS here for a scalp. Let's see what this does. Stopped out at 625 for right now. Pre-market, the highs are now all the way up at 650. I'll add over 650. Next entry at 650. I didn't even try to trade it in my IRA, just my main account. Right now, I'm back in at 625. Back in at 625 for the break over 650. Over 645, I'd probably add for a scalp. Just going to watch this here. There's 50, 75 on the ask. Sold half. New stop, 27, my cost basis. Sold the rest on the ask at 611 for right now. So we've got a high of 675. I've got $5,986 profit on this trade. That was, that was easy. That stuff was easy. Just right in for a break of pre-market high at 6. Got filled at 581, 10,000 shares. Sold it at 620, got back in at 627, sold it at 650. 660, something like that. I actually sold 2,700 shares at 673, 2 cents off the highs. Not bad at all. So now I'm just going to watch this for, so first trade was a winner, second trade was a winner. Now looking for third trade opportunity on this one. So those were all scalp trades. Those are quick in, quick out. So back over the $0.50 here. Okay, I just added back at 640, looking for the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. So looking for 640 to break and then 650. Want to see that snap over the $0.50. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. So right now we're churning a little bit of buying, a little bit of buying. See what this does. Stopped out all except for 1,200 shares. See if this pops back up. We still actually haven't had a 1 minute candle make a new high. There's 33, 38. Got an order already at the $0.50 for first 1 minute candle to make a new high. Just watching this here. Stopped out the rest of it on the ask, so up $6,287 on it, and who are going to be forced to buy just simply to cover and get out of the position. So, yeah, I mean, there's no way you could predict that this would have hit $10. Certainly would have been much more aggressive if you could, but that's not how trading works. It's not, you can't play the Monday morning quarterback, armchair quarterback, or the, you know, the backseat driver. 2020, hindsight is always 2020. You just have to base your trades on price action, and we took profit along the way, and I think pretty much all of us are up on the name, so we did something right. Nice, Jason. $3,400. That's great. So let's see if it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be a 10-minute halt. It would be strange if two of them are 5-minute. No, but here we go. It's a 5-minute halt. So the high is $10, and it's back at 9.30 on the bid right now. So it's starting to go red. Back over 10 certainly would be good, but below 9, I would not want to be holding. 9.15, 9.20 on the bid. A little bit of buying here. It's not uncommon to have a little bit of a dip out of the halt, and then we often would buy that dip as it surges back up, maybe over the $0.50, over 9.50 or over 10. I wouldn't do it in the case of this being after the second halt, but if this was after the first halt, I probably would have bought at 9.50 and doubled at $10. Right now, I would definitely not want to be holding right now as it breaks below $9. Because now you can see on the 5-minute, we're turning around. This is a bearish engulfing candle. It's bigger red than the previous candle was green. It's clearly beginning to shift directions. So this for me is kind of going to mark the high. And, you know, this might give us a 5-minute pattern here. We could have a totally good 5-minute bull flag, 2 red candles, and then first candle to go green. Boom, goes back up to 10, 11, $12. I mean, this thing could keep going today. But for me, we've got 8.3 million shares of volume. I think I've captured the bulk of my profits, and anything at this point would be taking unnecessary risk. You guys know I like to focus my trades in the first hour and a half. So, you know, I think I've done my job now. Sebastian, $16,000. Great job, man. Green is good. That's fantastic. Really impressed with you guys. I mean, I'm glad to see you guys doing, some of you guys doing better than me on this. It's nice. It just shows that the strategy works and you can scale it as high up as you want. $25,000, great job. That's a really good win. That's exciting. So, yeah, you guys have the risk tolerance, the account size. These can be big winners. I do want to have a $100,000 day at some point this year, but I kind of need a very special setup to give me the confidence to be that aggressive. I need a setup that we're going to need to be in a really hot market. Now remember, on Thursday, I only made $585. It was a very slow day. And I was thinking that maybe the hot streak was kind of going to slow down. And so today I had to be a little more careful. In order to have a $100,000 day, I need to be already on a really hot week. This could be the type of week. If tomorrow is another $5,000, $6,000 day and Wednesday's another $8,000, $10,000 day, you know, then Thursday and Friday, I'm going to start to think, geez, the market is hot. Everything that pops up just goes bananas. I'm going to start taking bigger and bigger size, and I'll get in one of them with 10,000 shares. It'll squeeze up a full point. It'll get halted. It'll open higher. I'll add. And next thing you know, I'm going to be holding 15,000 shares up, you know, $3 a share for a $45,000 winner. And that'll be in the first 15 minutes of the day. That stock will keep going like this one, and I'll be with such a big cushion on the name that I can really amp up the risk, and that'll turn into a $100,000 day. But it's got to be that, you know, kind of perfect storm for me, the way I trade. Because I'm not trading 50,000 share positions, you know. With 10 to 20,000 share positions, getting $100,000 of profit means I basically need to get $5 per share, which is, I mean, that's a feat. So in any case, $11,000 today is good, and you know, just keep just keep grinding. It's a great start to the month. So that's that's what we go for. Start to build that cushion, and looks like April's hopefully going to be a really strong month. So again, great job everyone who traded this one. We'll do a little midday recap in just 1 second, and I'll kind of break down exactly what I was thinking on this trade.